Hi beautiful Hubbies, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe below and give this video a thumbs up, because when you give this video a thumbs up, YouTube actually recommends it to a wider range of people for me. Okay, so guys, you already know on this channel we do a bit of vlogs, lifestyle, and also we do this thing I call Uncut with Hubby, where I bring in some topics from social media that is going so people are finding very terrible, something like that. So I just bring it here and we talk about it. But in today's video is actually very juicy. I'm here to talk about skin care. Yeah, today is a skincare video. And guys, have you noticed that the skincare industry now is seriously hopping on their games? Have you guys noticed it? Like, there's something like high-end creams now and low-end creams, if I may say. All the cream brands that you know is hopping on their game. Like, there's so much now on giving the users what other big brands are giving them, that is making them to like leave them. I don't know if I'm making sense. I don't know if I'm the only one that have noticed it, but trust me guys, this time, this era is not the time you break a bank to have a good skin. You can see the way my skin is looking. Trust me, it's not the time to break a bank to have a good skin. I don't know if 1 or 2% that is watching this video used to have this notion that I usually used to have, but right now I don't have it anymore. I used to believe that the expensive creams are the ones that work. Yes, I used to have that notion that when the cream is expensive, when the soap is expensive, when the serum is expensive, when the toner is expensive, it's actually worth the buy, because they must have put or resourced ingredients that cost them, that made the product to be quite expensive. Guys, but I think that notion, I've packed it and I've put it into this trash can. Trust me guys, I've packed it and I've put it into the trash can, because right now even the low-end creams I used to know, like Dove, Nivea, Imperial Leather and what have you, now they have hopped on that game. And mind you, I need to tell you guys about this also. You know, the high-end cream they used to attract us with, they have niacinamide in the cream, they have azelaic acid in the cream, they have these, those stuffs that combat acne and spots. Okay, now the low-end creams have also hopped on the game. Okay, they have hopped on the game as well. And now I'm going to introduce you guys to Nivea cream, Nivea products. Trust me guys, what they have particularly now is what they have particularly now is gonna surprise you. It's gonna surprise you, because I have everything right in front of me guys. Like, number one here is this Nivea micellar cleanser, Nivea micellar face wash with organic rose water. Guys, this face wash is just on the top. Okay, like this face wash, I don't even need to use micellar water to remove my makeup. Yes, if you don't have time for that, once you use this, it will remove every of the dirt and makeup you have on your face without stripping your skin, without making it dry. Can you imagine? It has rose water in it as well. Like when I tell you that this will hop on their game, you have to believe me. When I tell you this, you have to believe me. Trust me. And also this one was also Nivea Derma Skin Clear with chemical exfoliator. It has 8% of salicylic acid and glycolic acid plus niacinamide. See it here. Let me come a little bit closer so I can focus, so you guys can see it. Guys, who can believe that the Nivea you used to know in those days, they had only soap, right? Yeah, I think they had only bar soap those days. Okay, one of their normal cream, and people were just okay with it. Okay, but now the girls who are wanting their skin to look pangy, generation that we are in now, a generation that wants pangy skin. So if you're there and still not putting those things that is making them to rush to those products, I don't think your company will move further. So you can imagine, this is Derma Skin Clear Chemical Exfoliator. It has salicylic acid, it has glycolic acid plus niacinamide. Guys, this is a game changer. If you have acne on your face together with spots, you use it overnight. You can use it overnight, which is preferably, because it's a chemical exfoliator. But if you decide to use it during the day, you shouldn't forget your sunscreen. But I prefer to use it at night, so I don't have to start wearing sunscreen. And mind you, I'm not this type that is very routine with using face products and all. I'm very lazy with that, like using this, using that, using that. I don't know, along the line I'm trying to be a changed person towards it, because I think I just have to change. Okay, so this is it. So this is actually my nighttime routine. I use it mostly at night because it's a chemical exfoliator, and I can use this one any time of the day, morning, night, evening. Another product here is Nivea Rice Glow Scrub. You can use it on your face anytime. Like, it's a scrub, it's a mouth scrub with rice and very richy things inside, but a raspberry and others, guys. See it here, trying to focus it. So guys, this product is making so much sense. It's a facial exfoliating scrub, 100% natural, and it's very intensified, and you can use it morning and night because it's very mild. When I tell you guys Nivea have hopped on their game, so you guys should better believe me. And this one here is Derma Skin Clear Anti-Blemish Scrub. Can you combine it with this one? It also has salicylic acid and niacinamide. You know, niacinamide actually helps you with your dark pigmentations and what have you. So it actually helps. It reduces the black hairs and white bits also on your white sets also on your face. You can use this one actually 3 times in a week. I use it 3 times in a week. I don't use it every day. So what it means is that I use this one every day, and I use this one 3 times in a week. And trust me, those 3 times I use it on my face to exfoliate it, because it's an exfoliating face wash. So the times I use it it actually does this work. Okay, for example, I use it to wash my face, and I noticed that around this area there are some packed white heads there, which I didn't see when I started washing my face, but after that it's as if it's like it resurrects things that you have to take out from your face. So it's actually very nice. And this one here is Derma Skin Clear Toner. It has salicylic acid, niacinamide also in it. So this one it's like a package. So this 3 here is like a package. Okay, this is also a facial toner which I use every day because I wear my sunscreen during the day. So what it means is that I wash my face with this and I tone my face with this. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how I use this one. I can show you all the products. So this is the moisturizing cream I use. It's Nivea as well. It's moisturizing gel cream with organic rose water and hyaluronic acid. Game changer. This is very nice as well. This is the regular Nivea soft cream that we all know about. It's moisturized. It's very nice. You can use it on your skin day and night. You can use it on your children as well. And of course, this is the roll-on, because what I'm doing is Nivea. So everything is on the Nivea gluten, and I'm actually enjoying this their body wash, guys. Nivea body wash, soft care shower, rose and almond oil. Like, guys, this body wash does not strip your skin at all. It does not make your skin anywhere dry. Like, it will surprise you that after washing your body and after drying it a bit, you still feel a little bit of oil all over your body, which is actually very nice. Like, it's moisturizing, and I love it very well. And it's not just for an adult. I guess children can use it as well. So it's very nice, and it scents so well as well. So guys, what do I say now? Just to conclude this video, so I use this to have my bath, which is Nivea, morning and night as you want. And after washing my face with this, I use this to tone my face. I use it as a toner. I can use cotton wool to just use it all over my face, or I can just put a little bit on my hand and dust it on my face, whichever way that serves you best. And I use this to scrub my face 3 times in a week because it's an exfoliating facial wash. So I use it 3 times a week. I prefer to use it Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because trust me, I told you guys I'm not a routine person. I forget all the time. So I just put it Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because when the weekend is coming close, you're all reminded that weekend is around the corner, and I remind myself I have to use this as well. If not, this Monday, Wednesday, Friday, forget it. I will not use that. Forget it. So this one, I use it only at night. It's a night treatment. I don't use it during the day. So what it means that after washing my face with this and toning my face with this, I use my moisturizing cream on my face, and I use my SPF. On the days where I have to use this, I wouldn't use this, but on the days I have to use this, I wouldn't use this as well. What it means is that if I use this to scrub my face on Friday, I wouldn't use this as well. Okay, so that is it, guys. When I tell you that skincare products has actually hopped on their game this period, guys, you should understand what I'm saying now. And trust me, this is the list that Nivea has now. Nivea has whitening brightening cream, in fact, I can't name it. Nivea has so many products now that is giving, like those are products that is high end. This one is giving, this one is affordable, it's also going to give you what you want. And why are you going for the high end cream when the low end cream is already on their top of the top of their game and giving us the results that we want? Okay guys, this brings me to the end of this video. Hope you guys are going to try one of these products I just said now. Hope you guys are going to try it because you're going to enjoy it very well. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and drop your comment down in the comment section. Of course, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. I repeat it again because I always forget to tell you guys to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. To have a wonderful day. Bye.